Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have some cards that I have been painting, and I've been using my metallics, my artsy metallics, and on some watercolor card, and then mounting them onto some cardstock that I have to make some easy cards. But I wanted to feature today, and you'll see them in just a little bit, a stamp that I was able to make through Zazzle.com, and I do have a few of my art pieces there as well, but you can order nice rubber stamps that are mounted onto wood blocks, and I've put my name and my logo in the font and everything. It's really easy. You just upload the file and they create the stamp for you, and I'm pretty happy with it. So you will see that here in just a second. Of course, you can check out the links below to direct you to different places for my website and such like. And anyways, I give, there's a stamp. I give cards to people to give to others, and they're always saying, oh, I should put your name on it. But so I finally got around to doing that. So I've got some archival ink here that is waterproof as well. And you can just, it's simple as stamping. It's a nice solid wood block, so you don't have to worry about anything there. So see how fun that is. And it says, of course, my name, my logo, and then author, artist. And yeah, it's a great way to put on the back of your cards. If you make cards for people, of course, you don't have to be a branded professional to do that. You can just put made by your name, type of thing. But I didn't know they made stamps, so that was fun to get a hold of that. And actually, you can order quite a few things from there, and if you sign up for like that free trial of the shipping thing, you can order a bunch of stuff. I've gotten in my artwork created with an apron from them, and it was really great quality, and so that was fun to use. So I've uploaded my art to different places, and so far Zazzle has been among my favorites for those kinds of things. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. These were fun cards to make. It's a little dramatic and fun. And here's another one that I had made using a Paper Craft Society box. And so I'm just I have a little pile there that I'm going through and stamping. I don't know, guys, do you sign your cards on the back that you've made them? When you make cards for people, is that something that you've done? I just have not done it very much. I've, for whatever reason, I just haven't done it, and I don't know why, but too much in a hurry, I guess. But anyway, so this was fun, and so I just kind of wanted more than anything to share the resource there that you can take these handmade cards. These are painted with, this particular one here is just painted with some gouache and then stamped with a sentiment on front. Super easy. You can also get card blanks and envelopes for a pretty decent price. If you wanted to just go ahead and paint right on the front, which is what I did with this particular card here that you see, and super fun. So here's a little shot of that stamp. I really like it, and thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you check out those links. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.